closing low for the month of April. Meantime, we're watching some developments in AI today, and for that, we're going to go to Kayla Tausche. Hi, Kayla.
Hi, Carl. We are watching some of the arrivals at the White House for that artificial intelligence meeting that is getting underway next hour. Our producers on the ground just saw the CEO of Anthropic going in the door, and also the CEO of OpenAI. Of course, that is Sam Altman, who is well known to our viewers. We're also expecting the CEOs of Microsoft and Alphabet to be part of this conversation that's the first meeting of CEOs, but President Biden has already been briefed by some of his advisors on artificial intelligence. And his conclusion was that, before any company releases a product, it must be ensured that it's safe before that release. So this meeting is taking place today. You'll expect to see the vice president leading it. We also have the top national security, economic, and science officials that will be there. And there's going to be a slew of deliverables that are going to come out of this. For instance, the government has announced that it is going to be investing $140 million in new research institutes for artificial intelligence. That will bring the total number to 25 of these research institutes that are being funded by the government so far. The Office of Management and Budget is also going to be releasing guidance for how the government should be essentially using AI, where it's safe for agencies to be using AI, and how they can harness both the capabilities of AI, which government officials have said that they believe that, for instance, autonomous vehicles and cybersecurity see a lot of value in AI, whereas there are a lot of risks in job replacement and automation, and they want to make sure that they're troubleshooting that. As for the international component of this, of course, there's a race around the globe to figure out exactly how to regulate, how to harness AI. And White House officials have said that they're going to be focusing closely on coordination specifically with European allies, although they say it's still early innings and there's still a very long way to go, especially where international standards are concerned. Carl.
Hey, Kayla, it's David. A lot of these leaders that are coming here have asked for there to be guardrails in some way. They almost are imploring the government to get involved to some extent. But then there are others in the defense establishment who say, we're already way behind China. We've got to keep moving forward as fast as possible. Sort of two competing interests, it would seem, not to mention our adversaries are not going to be putting up any guardrails anytime soon.
Right, and I think that the executive's argument is that it's much easier to drive when there are rules of the road set in place ahead of time, not necessarily to be retroactively regulating after all of this innovation and advancement has taken place. That's why a lot of those executives have proposed a 6-month moratorium on technological advancement in artificial intelligence, essentially to take a pause and to say, where do we stand right now and how can regulation catch up? Well, when I talked to administration officials, I interviewed Alan Davidson, who's the Assistant Secretary of the Department of Commerce. He runs NTIA. He said you don't really need a moratorium, that regulation can catch up. It's just they're trying to do that work really quickly.
Amazing story. Kayla, we'll watch for this particular chapter with your help today. Kayla Tausche in Washington.